What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another one. So, Wall Street actually spent years of calling crypto useless. Now they quietly copying everything that crypto made interesting in the first place. The tokenized stocks, the 24/7 markets, the instant settlement, the stablecoin rails, the programmable assets. And my take is actually that Wall Street is admitting that crypto was always right. Look at what's happening with tokenized equities. Stocks are moving on-chain because the traditional system has obvious limitations. Markets close, the settlement takes time, the cross-border access is messy. Crypto basically looked at that system years ago and said, why does money still move like it's 1995? And now TradFi is slowly coming to the same conclusion. But here's actually where I disagree with some of crypto Twitter. People see BlackRock, Robinhood, or major banks moving on-chain and immediately assume, oh my gosh, that's mass adoption, every RWA token has to pump. And I think that's a big no. That's backholder economics. Wall Street adopting blockchain does not mean every token with RWA in the bio suddenly deserves $1 billion valuation. And here's actually another important distinction. On-chain does not automatically mean decentralized. You can tokenize a stock and still have an issuer, a custodian, a restriction, counterparty risk, and someone who can freeze the asset. That's basically TradFi wearing a crypto hoodie. And no, I don't think that suddenly Wall Street has discovered decentralization. They have discovered that blockchain rails are simply better at certain things. And this is the part that I'm actually super bullish on. Once people get used to assets trading 24/7, instant settlement, global markets, and money that moves like software, good luck convincing them that markets absolutely need to close every Friday afternoon. Crypto changed that expectation. Now, traditional finance has to catch up, and I think that's incredibly bullish for the industry because crypto doesn't necessarily have to destroy Wall Street to win. It can force Wall Street to rebuild itself using crypto infrastructure. So my view is pretty simple. I don't think that Wall Street steals crypto future. I think crypto infects Wall Street. The assets might be called stocks. The dollar might be still the dollar, but the institutions might have still the same logos, but underneath, more and more financial system could start behaving like crypto. 24/7, programmable, global, and on-chain. To me, that's not TradFi beating crypto. That's crypto winning without needing any permission. And the funniest outcome would be that Wall Street spending 15 years laughing at crypto and then rebuilding itself on crypto rails anyway. And if you guys want to see what I'm actually trading and with all of these narratives as they are developing, feel free to join my private group in the description below. It is absolutely free to join in, and I do have an AI hooked up to it that is following me and all of my trades I'm taking in real time and actually roasting me and certain points where I'm taking the trades. And so, as I said, fully free to join, come in, let's chat around, let's make some money. On that note, Kong, peace out.